Hello, this is Ben with DC Digital, and today I'm demonstrating a system of timers that measure downtime in a bottling facility. These timers are custom in that they have two different sets of inputs to control the operation of the timer, and they are also a system. So the leftmost one on the screen now is the master control unit, and I'll go over that in greater detail. And the other four are secondary units that receive wireless signal from the master. The part numbers for these systems is, for the leftmost, is DC-25-T up term-W-master-W-NEMA. For the one next to it is a DC-25-W-secondary-NEMA. For the other three that are in aluminum enclosures that are in the black powder coat, they are DC-25-W-secondary. As I mentioned before, it's going into a facility that is a bottling company, and they want to measure downtime on a bottling line. So they have two sets of controls. One is tied into the machine directly and will directly activate the timer to count up when the machine is down. The other set of controls is a radio frequency remote control that they can use. While the machine may be operational, they can use this to track additional downtime, such as product shortage or product changeovers, that type of additional downtime. So I'll show how it works. This input can be anything from a PLC input to a photo eye or a limit switch or a proximity sensor. I'm representing it here with an electromechanical push button. So simply holding it down, it must be maintained for the unit to count up, and counts up starting in seconds and minutes, and as it gets over the first hour, it will then shift resolution to hours and minutes, and it'll keep going until this button is released. When this button's released, it'll stop and pause, and it can be resumed from that position, or it can be reset using a separate set of external controls. Also, in the stopped position, the radio remote control will work. However, if it is actively tracking machine downtime, the radio remote control has no function. It's locked out. So this is priority. This overrides anything that the radio remote control can input. When the machine is operational and it's already tracked some downtime, you can continue that from the radio remote control as well. These devices are store and forward, so the secondaries extend the range of the master by additionally broadcasting to additional secondaries. The master sends out a wireless signal, and if this one was in range but these three are out of range, this one will shut down after receiving the signal from the master and rebroadcast to the next one in line or the next one in range. So using this system, you can extend the range of this whole system indefinitely, as long as you have intermediate repeaters within range of the master. These are 2.3-inch high digits, red LEDs, and they're viewable up to 100 feet, which is good for a typical high school classroom size if you need a real-world example of what sort of viewing distance they have. The NEMA enclosures, the two on the left, are in NEMA 4X sealed polycarbonate enclosures that have integrated mounting holes. You just take the face off, bolt it up to the wall, and put the face back on. They have an outdoor rated power cord, and they have the compression fittings on the right hand side of them to bring in your controls, or you can take that compression fitting off and run conduit right into the box. They have terminals with wire leads for maintain start, open stop, and momentary reset, and then the RF remote for start, stop, and reset. The secondaries that are in aluminum enclosures, those are formed aluminum with aluminum keyholes in the back, so you mount your screws on the wall and then hang on the keyhole slots. They have wall transformers. The transformers have extensions, so they can be plugged in outside of the 6-foot range of the wall transformer. And then they have just simply the radio remote, the radio frequency to receive. All of our products are manufactured and assembled here in our Carlisle, Ohio location. If you would like this product and want to order, or you have questions about how you can customize this or any of our other products, please contact us using the link in the description. Again, this is Ben with DC Digital, demonstrating the DC-25-UP-term-W-master-W-NEMA and the DC-25-W-secondary-NEMA and the DC-25-W-secondary. Thank you for watching.